Hi there. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default weight setting from kilograms to pounds in Odoo. First, log into your Odoo account and navigate to the dashboard. On the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon representing the settings menu. Click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, use the search bar at the top right and type in weight. This will bring up the relevant settings. Under the General Settings section, you'll see an option labeled Units of Measure. TASM. Here, you can define your weight unit of measure. To change the default setting, simply select pounds instead of kilograms. After making this change, don't forget to click the Save button at the top left of the screen to apply the new setting. It's important to note that changing this setting won't automatically update the weights of any existing items. You may need to manually change the weights of your previously entered items to reflect the correct unit. Please ensure you review and update all your existing items accordingly. And that's it.